Hi guys, it's reaction time. We've got Big Red Fire Truck and Love Bite. I don't know why I like the name of this band so much. I just like Big Red Fire Truck. It makes me smile. But these guys are Australian. They've got an EP coming out called Trouble in Paradise. It comes out on the 4th of August. I've already covered one of the songs from that EP. It's absolutely fantastic. This is the second song I've heard of this band. In this band, I love these names because it's so easy for me. Usually I'm trying to pronounce lots of difficult names. Digby on the guitar and vocals, Ben Frank on the guitar, Pete Grant on the bass, and Nick Frazier on the bass. It couldn't get any easier for me. I love that. So, without further ado, this is the first reaction of the weekend. I've been away a while actually. I haven't done any reactions for like a week or so, and that's a long time for me. But this is Big Red Fire Truck. This is the first one. This is called Love Bite. Here we go.
One more chance just to make it to the top. Empty pockets, broken dreams, not as easy as it seems. And there's no one here who's telling me to stop. We keep dragging it down as the sun is coming up. We will bucket full of hope just until your time is up. Oh, Cincinnati, you ain't so pretty underneath your neon light. Yeah, she cries like a kitten, but watch out for her love bite. Watch out! Spend your money, have some fun, stick around after you've won, because we don't want you living with your fortune. Flashing lights, private bars, yeah, we treat you like a star, and make you believe that all your dreams are coming true. We keep dragging you down as the sun is coming up. We will burn you full of hope just until your time is up. Oh, Cincinnati, you ain't so pretty underneath your neon lights. Oh, so pretty, yeah, she burns just like a kitten, but watch out for her love bite.
What a way to start it off, man. What a fun track. As soon as that riff came in at the beginning, it really had. And these guys are Australian, obviously. I think some of the influences might be a little bit of AC/DC. You know, obviously, AC/DC. Most of the band Australian. But that, even the guitar tone, definitely got an AC/DC vibe to it there. Loads of groove in this. Such fun, man. And I know this band, I'm reading a little bit about them, and that's what they want to do. They want to make music fun, like it used to be. Do you remember those times, guys, when music was fun? And I think they've got all those elements. It's a real sort of party track in it. Something you could just put on, a few beers, barbecue or whatever, just in the background. It's perfect for that sort of party vibe. Just brilliant. I love this band, man. There's really cool groove to it as well. Love the riff. It's sort of a really busy riff. Down, 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 down. Real cool rock and roll vibe to it. It's got that sort of, you know, fun, early 80s sort of vibe to it. I love it. Absolutely love it. This band are such fun to listen to. That's the main thing here. It's really good fucking fun. And the perfect song to start off my reactions. Just groove laden, man. Just groove laden. Really tight sounding though. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes bands that have this almost rock and roll feel, they can sometimes feel a little bit loose and a little bit jammy, if you know what I mean. But, I mean, even though that's a busy old riff, it's a really tight riff. I actually love that. It's such a fun party riff. Absolutely brilliant. This band are fun, man. And what I can remember of the first song I listened to, I can remember the solo being an absolutely banger of a solo. So, here we go for the rest, guys. Here we go.
Underneath your neon light. darkness is complete. Oh, Sin City, you ain't so pretty underneath your neon lights. Oh, so pretty, yes, you burn just like a kitty. And watch out for her light. Oh, Sin City, you ain't so pretty, underneath your neon lights. And watch out for her light.
Very cool lead solo, very quick as well. In and out, almost brilliantly with the vibe of the song. You sort of wanted something that was quick but was excellent. So almost a twin lead part there. Very cool indeed. Absolutely love that. I'll tell you what, in a world that is getting less and less fun, more and more people are getting less and less fun. You can't say this, you can't say that, you can't have a woman in the video and all that bollocks. That's what fun is all about. Absolutely fantastic. That was Big Red Fire Truck and that was Love Bite. Remember guys, it's an EP that's coming out on August the 4th. It's called Trouble in Paradise. Let me know guys what you think of that. Big Red Fire Truck in the comments below. I'll see you soon.